Hi, this is Sose University. This is a job opening for a technology ERP engineer for the Aruba experience enterprise switching. The company Hewlett Packard Enterprises, location is Bangalore. They are looking for bachelor's or master's degree in mechanical and electrical computer science or equivalent, or 10 plus years of experience in networking field with a minimum of 3 years of supporting data center technologies, data networking technologies including routing, switching, and networking architecture management. The second technology is software development engineer for the company Autodesk, and the location is Bangalore. The responsibilities of development and analysis of the application and services, making recommendations that yield high availability and reboost the product. Graduating in June 2023 is a specialization of CS or any engineering discipline from reputed engineering college. Working as Mac or Windows platform, excellent written and verbal communication. And the third technology is data architecture, spend analysis. The company name is Quest Global, location is Bangalore. They are looking for collecting data requirements from the data consumers team, standardizing the data architecture and working with the data supplies team and implementing the data products. And key responsibilities are understand the data product requirements and document data specifications, including business rule for data acquisition processing. And the mandated qualification is degree level education in mathematics, computing, and engineering disciplines or equivalent experience. 10 plus years of experience at the various levels of data management and or data equality roles, at least for 3 plus years. And the fourth technology is lead data platform engineer for the company Dyson. The location is Bangalore. They are looking for evolved existing solution of stay ahead, embedded engineer emerging solution of capitalize and potential benefits, and deliver contextual and future solution to introduce the new net capabilities. And experience in source control management of such as GitLab and GitHub and Bitbucket. And the fifth technology is lead software engineering for the company Boeing, location is Bangalore. The roles and responsibilities are development of diverse engineering solution for integrated advanced software, development of integration and testing of software system on embedded hardware, development of engineering documentation and configuration management of system software infrastructure. And the links will be given in the video description, so you can apply that directly. And the basic qualification is bachelor's degree in engineering or IO, strong experience with the software engineering with life cycle activities. Please subscribe to the Sose University channel for more job details. Thank you.